So how much are pong garlic? How much are pong?
Pong garlic?
$80. Okay guys, so today we are making some snacks actually to take to the orphanage in Guyana. We usually take meals there, but this time we only got a slot for snacks. So we are making some soya chunk cakes today. This is part of the preparation here. So some of the preparation is already done, and I'll show you that after this. But for now, we are peeling the cassava, which is going to be mixed with the chunks. So cassava is coming here. So cassava finished boiling now.
That's little gold dipping out the cassava.
Little goal. You want to go on camera?
Yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
Big up little goal.
Big up little gold. Swami best cook. This is the Swami best cook.
Little goal.
Cook from Swami school.
you want.
You see guys, it's good to give. When you give, you always receive. Molly played the lottery today and she won $10,000. You see, so we are already getting back from what we gave it. Okay, time to mash the cassava. And the cup is the old time way, if you can remember.
There's got some flowery one, you know. That's the couple you have. And you want to use this?
So as you guys can see, I'm working, okay, as always. I'm helping to mash the cassava. So you take some of this mashed cassava now and you have this with some salt and a bit of pepper. Yummy! The old school folks will know about that. And look at the masher broke. You see the masher can't handle me?
Alright, now we'll add a little seasoning.
So that's seasoning.
Yeah,
So we're gonna give you
pepper.
guys the recipe for this here. We're gonna do it one day and give you the recipe. But now we're just doing this for the orphanage, and it's a big batch. So this is just the mashed cassava with the seasoning, and they're rolling this off now. I finished doing all my hard work. Okay, so don't say that I didn't work for this recipe.
Oye, me cansado malo.
We got some spectators here. Okay, so enjoy the show.
Good job, good job.
Where you go? For cassava balloon?
So I'm just to goal on the highway right now. Goal rolling the cassava ball.
Perfectly wrong too, you see.
See, you gotta get yours in a hand big to good size for pump for much of cassava.
Yes. And goal has strong hands.
Your mouth is wrong.
What?
Oh, yes.
Top of the line. Top of the line.
Let's take out this.
So this is the chunks we have here, which was boiled and mashed with seasoning. And now they're rolling it in the cassava.
Now you get a cake.
And that's your chunks cake. Chunks cassava cake. So in order to mash the chunks, you can soak it first, like people usually do. Or you can boil it, which they did in this case, and add the seasonings and mash it. And look at the view, guys.
Look at the view, that tree there, 120 area.
120 here.
Look at the tree there.
So you know all about the tree. Which tree?
See there the same man.
Which one?
See there about 150 years.
Wow. Yeah, so he said this tree is 120 years old. The big tree.
That Koda tree. Koda.
Kurda. Yeah, I can remember long ago we used to go and cut Kurda wood to cook. For firewood, yeah.
Only one in this area. That's timely Mardman Coke.
All in the corner there. The usual line of flower pots.
Mardman Coke, timely.
Little garden here. This looks like the Mardman poke. Yeah, that's it. You gotta take a smell to be sure.
Celery,
Broadleaf time.
lime tomatoes, celery season, all that.
Yeah. Don't look at the beer bottles, okay?
Oh, we cannot.
See the butterfly? Look.
Panama. Is that right? Tomato, celery season. You want to go to London?
Huh?
So all our cakes are made. It's time to fry now. I think we left with 4 cassava ball there. No more soy to fill that, so we're gonna make cassava ball.
Here this now. This is the flour. The coloring. Jeera.
So that's flour and jeera
And the coloring. That is
and some coloring, some salt.
seasoning now.
That's the seasoning now going in.
Cooking it out.
have to cook kebab down in Japan.
The hardest of this done. No, for this done. When the channel now take time for fry. Here.
Assalamualaikum.
Sama kaso.
Kabar nalay.
So we are also doing some boiled chana, boiled and fried chana to take to the orphanage today. That's the chana. They're going to be adding some carrots. And that's the onions. Yeah.
These are ready.
Okay. So our chana is now done. And I think we're set everything together. And then we're gonna go over to the orphanage.
Hai se volcare make tu shake up. Flip up.
You want trouble by yourself, big man.
Where cook fry in it? Where cook? Where cook ya?
This one say here is beef, here is pork, here is Hindu, here is chicken.
Where you want to? You jam on fry some black. Bake the chicken with right black.
Baked chicken.
Bake the chicken with right black. You go now.
So I forgot to tell you guys that this orphanage they don't eat meat. So that's why we are making what we're making here.
Everybody get
How let's sit on there now, eh?
Okay guys, so that's it. Finish at the orphanage. This is Swami School. This is Swami School here.